How to send files in Messenger using mobile phone. So if you want to send files in Messenger, then first of all you have to open up your file. Like if you have your file in the files folder, you can simply tap on that, and then you have to choose a file from your downloads, videos or images, audio or documents or anything. You have to choose the file first. So I'll be choosing document file. And after choosing the file, you have to simply tap on the three dots, and now you will have a bunch of options. So if you want to share this file to Messenger, then you have to tap on send a copy, and then you have to choose how you want to send this one. Like if you want to send it through Word, then you can choose the Word, but if you want to send it as a PDF document, then simply tap on PDF or open document format or plain text, rich text, web page or anything. I'll be choosing PDF, and after choosing, tap on OK. And now here if you scroll down, you will have a Messenger option on the first one, and you can simply tap on Messenger, and here you can tap on send to whom you want to send. So that's it. That's how you send files in Messenger using mobile phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.